Ave Booktube. Today we will be tier ranking the Dr. Seuss canon. Big spoiler alert, because this is a tier ranking involving numerous works, all by the same author, not allowing it to be possible for you to guess the titles. I must use the titles. So I will be spoiling the titles of these books. Forgive me. S tier, Stinky. Circus McGurkus Squirt. This is a trigger warning for animal cruelty. Next in the stinky category, I can lick 30 tigers today. This is a genocide trigger warning for animal genocide. If I ran the zoo. This is a trigger warning for animal entrapment. Next tier is A. A is for awful. I had trouble getting to Salou. Trigger warning for neocolonialism. Hop on Pop. Trigger warning for patriarchy. Grinch Stole Christmas. Trigger warning for anti-Semitism. Judeo-Christian normativism. B tier, bad, bad, bad. Are you my mother? Trigger warning, abuse and neglect. 500 Hats of Bartholomew Cubbins. Trigger warning, probable child labor. Next to the bad, bad, bad category, the Sneetches, the classic Sneetches. Trigger warning for this one, bullying and peer pressure. Walk It in My Pocket. Trigger warning, sexual harassment. Or are you just happy to see me? The Foot Book. Trigger warning, fetish shaming. Next tier, C tier for crappy. I'm not going to get up today. Trigger warning, mood disorder. Green Eggs and Ham. Trigger warning, eating disorder. My book about me, myself, by me, myself. Trigger warning, mental illness. D tier, dreadful. Cow can moo, can you? Trigger warning, species appropriation. Horton hatches the egg. Trigger warning, gender appropriation. And Gerald McBoing Boing. Trigger warning, insensitivity to Scots. Ave Booktube.